In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneNote to Notion using Zapier for an easy integration. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow or simply want to keep your notes organized across platforms, integrating OneNote with Notion can be a great way to enhance your productivity. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Zapier's website. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that enables connections between different apps, making it easier to automate various tasks without the need for complex coding. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button on the top right corner. This is where we'll start setting up our new automation, or as Zapier calls it, a Zap. Now, click on Create and then select Zap. This option will direct you to a new page where you can begin configuring your Zap from scratch. You'll notice a button that says New Zap. Go ahead and click on that. Here, we'll start the process of defining what triggers your Zap and what actions it will carry out. Next, you'll see the option to click on Trigger. Think of the trigger as the event that sets off your automation. In our case, we want an event in OneNote to spark an action in Notion. So in the Trigger App field, type in OneNote. You'll see Microsoft OneNote appear in the results. Click on that to proceed. After selecting Microsoft OneNote as your trigger app, you'll be prompted to choose an event. This event is a specific action in OneNote that will initiate your Zap. Make your selection based on what best fits your workflow needs. Once you've decided which event suits you best, click Next. You'll be required to sign into your Microsoft account to authorize Zapier to access OneNote. Make sure you're logged into the correct account to avoid any confusion. Once you've signed in, Zapier will confirm your account connection. Now, let's set up the action part of our Zap. After authorizing OneNote, click on Action. In the resulting field, type Notion. Select Notion as your action app. Just like before, you'll need to choose an event. This event is the action you want to occur in Notion when the trigger event in OneNote happens. After making your selection, click on Continue. Finally, at this stage, follow any additional on-screen prompts to finish setting up your Zap. Zapier will guide you through the rest of the process, which may include authorizing Notion as you did with OneNote, and configuring specific details of your integration. Once all the prompts are completed, you'll have successfully connected OneNote to Notion. With these two tools working together, you can now enjoy a more seamless and efficient note-taking experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy integrating.